My name is Wren Phelps. I'm from San Francisco, the Bay Area. And my hidden talent, I would say, would be connecting people. I love people and talking, connecting, and cultivating like experiences with people. So that's my hidden talent. And I'm trying this beautiful gifted box here, Strawberry Kiss perfume. Let's try this. I'm excited. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh wow.
You can smell it through
Wow. Ooh, it does smell like strawberries. Ooh. It's beautiful. It smells like strawberries, but a little bit, I'm giving a little vanilla, yes. It's very warm, but fresh at the same time. I love it. It's very feminine.